We will look at how to create quick grass in Blender. So I'll go to File, New, General. Don't save this one. I'll delete everything. Add Mesh Plane. I will scale it. And because the scale has changed, go to Object, Apply Scale. Hit the Tab key to go to Edit Mode. Right click, Subdivide. And we will use 50 subdivisions. A to select all, go to Mesh, Transform, Randomize. That works well. Then we'll turn proportionate selection on, select one, and then make the selection by increase the circle by using the middle mouse button to create uneven surface. Okay, go to Object, Shade Smooth. We'll go to Texture Maps, create a new texture map, Image Texture, Open, find a grass texture that you can find from Google. I have this one, looks like this. Okay, go to Particles, add new particle, make it hair. Height, make it 1, increase the number of particles. Go to Advanced tab, go to Physics, make 0.1 as Brownian and 0.01 as tab. Okay, if you need more particles, add one more 0 and you have grass. Okay, go to your rendering tab, add light, area light, move the light up, go to the light properties and increase the strength of the light to 1000 and then scale the light. If you want more light, add one more 0 and you can change the color of the light. And you have grass. Thank you very much.